Hey everybody, so it's Sparrow. Welcome back to my channel, and there's someone in the room breathing and living besides the dogs for once. Talk. I am going to do my Destash video. If you remember the Sparrow's Big Destash series, it was literally like a who knows how long video that I kept cutting up into like 8-minute segments to post because it was a really huge video. I stopped posting it because I thought it was useless, but now I'm going to probably mass post the rest of it just to get it out the way. But for now, we're going to do this year's Destash, which, is this a 2017 Destash or would this be a 2018 Destash? Well, since this is in front of me, I just did a video on this last night. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette. I got it for 16 bucks. What do you think?
Really used it.
I bought it, I just got it yesterday, you cunt.
Oh, and you're getting rid of it?
No! So my Destash videos, for everyone listening, including him over there, the Destash videos are I show you all the products in my collection and then decide how I want to sort, organize, or get rid of them. I liked this, I used it yesterday. It's got a lot of really pretty colors. I definitely would encourage you to watch the video on this palette. Dear, what do you think of the palette?
Nice.
I feel like I'm gonna hear that a lot today. Well, I'm definitely keeping this since I just got it. The only thing I hate is this velvet packaging. I need to get it dirty quickly. And right under is my other Anastasia palette. This is the Master Palette by Mario Devanovic. This is limited edition from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I actually hit pan in one of the shades. Oh dear. I actually hit pan in one of the shades, which would be this one right here. Dear, what do you think?
Now you're using that one a lot, yeah.
Well, yeah. Alright, so this is also going in the keep pile then. Yay, keep pile! This is the Kat Von D Serpentina palette. All colors, limited edition from holiday, I think 2015. Dear, what do you think?
I got you that, right?
Mm-hmm.
I like
I'm taking off the glasses because the camera can't focus. I have an idea, a project to do with like my older palettes that I don't really use but I still like and love and don't want to get rid of. So this is going in the project pile. That's a thing. I'm making it a thing. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I got this recently too. Mostly shimmer, delicious, pigmented, chocolate scented shades. Dear, opinion? Well, I'm not getting rid of this because I just got this and I actually really like this, so this is going in the keep pile. The Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. It is a like rainbow style palette, 9 shades, big pan. Dear, opinions? He doesn't like it. I don't really use it and I think Juvia's Place is canceled again or something or other. This might go in the Destash pile actually. I used it like twice I think. I don't know. I feel like bright colors are not my, like my hair might be a bright color, but bright colors are not my thing. This is my Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. Look how cute it is. It's part of my like Too Faced collection. Deliciously scented. Dear, opinion? He likes it. I do not use it often, unfortunately. Like, I could use it every day, but like I keep rotating. So I'm actually going to put it in my project pile. Trust me, nothing bad is happening to any of the stuff in my project pile. It's not depotting, I promise. This is my Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette. Half matte, half shimmer. Beigey goodness, dude.
I remember you wanted that for a long time.
I did. I think this is going to go in my project pile. Because, like, I don't use that many shades out of this palette, actually. I'm addicted to, like, there are certain shades that, like, literally just have pan, if I can show it to you. Some of them, literally, they're just, like, really indented, and then some shades are just, like, never touched. And I feel like this needs to go into my project pile because I would still reach for this palette. I really like how big the mirror is on it because it's a humongous mirror. I just feel like this is not a palette that I use every single day, all the time, like, worthy of keepery, you know? The Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I love this. I think this palette is beautiful. I think I'm gonna use it soon. Gorgeous big mirror, and most mostly shimmer and purple. The purple is what gets me. Dear, opinion? It's alright.
Like, it's got shades that you like.
But
You're not using it.
I used it. I don't use it a lot. I have a lot of palettes. This is going in the keep pile because I actually would use this. I just have a lot of rotating. I have a rotating palette stash, dude. The Viseart Golden Hour palette. Ugh. So this, it still has like the little thing in it. It's got a nice big mirror. Like, I like the mirror on this. Viseart got that down. I'm kind of bored about the shades though. The Golden Hour palette, it's a really pretty palette, but I don't know about the shades. Dear, opinion?
Okay.
This one's nice.
Like,
You actually like this one? He likes it, but I don't. It looks like a lot of other palettes I have, doesn't it?
maybe. Like, I just like, it's like more simple. Like, because it seems like when you have so much variety, you end up not using like half of it.
I don't know, because I was thinking about getting rid of it.
I mean, yeah. I think it's really want more variety.
I like variety. I am variety.
I mean, it makes sense.
My middle name is Variety, like the magazine.
I don't even know what that magazine is about.
It's about a variety of things. Next palette. Urban Decay Naked Heat. This is controversial. What do you think?
That doesn't look like a variety kind of palette.
I like it, but I did not wear it a lot, to be quite honest. I'm not sure, because it's like my only naked palette. At the same time, it's super samey. Like, it has a lot of stuff that's all the same, to the point that I kind of don't want to keep it. Maybe I should put it, I think I'm going to put it in the project file. Don't worry, you're involved in the project. You have to help build it.
Build what?
The project. Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette.
Chocolate.
I think anything that's got chocolate in it is gonna get an automatic pass. Chocolate Gold, you looked at funny for a second.
I did.
You said shiny. So keep.
Yeah.
I mean, this one still smells like. I got eyeshadow on my nose. This one still smells like chocolate though.
It doesn't, or it does?
It does. It's very light though because it's older. I've had this palette for a while. You bought me this.
That's why it's good.
Right. Anyway, alright, it's going in the project pile. The Patrick Star X Matte Cosmetics Quad in Gold Getter. Gold Getter. I do like Patrick Star. It's also very simple. I thought she would like it.
I mean, yeah.
Like, I would throw this in my purse if I was a person who did my makeup on the fly.
Yeah.
Alright, it's going in the keep pile. The e.l.f. J Glow palette with Jackie Aina. So this is like her first collaboration. You need that. It's a very small palette, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Alright. Why?
The colors are kind of good.
They're cool toned. I never wear cool toned eyeshadow.
I mean, like, just looking at the colors, they look kind of cool, but if you don't wear those colors, I guess.
I'm gonna put it in the project pile. My Looksy Beauty custom palette of all my favorite shades from the brand.
I mean, if you made it yourself, then I guess it's probably a good idea to keep it.
Yeah. I'm not getting rid of a lot of stuff here. This is not going well. Bad Habit Royals palette. I just did a video on this. I think you looked at a lot of the footage for it. It's like a modern Renaissance dupe from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a duplicate.
much is it?
This was $12.
So good.
It's okay. It's a little beat up from the video, but
Do you like those colors? I don't know if you do.
I kind of like the ones in my Huda Beauty one better, actually.
Yeah, I don't know
You mean you don't know about nothing?
about that. Like that one.
I think it's gonna go in the go pile. Bad Habit Retro Love Palette. This one is a dupe for Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture Palette. Trying to bend it over so you can see. Boom. What do you think?
That one seems pretty right.
What do you mean?
It seems alright. The color wise. And the bright. All that. Looks decent. The other one looks literally like some colors I would never be touched. This is decent.
Okay, so this one's gonna go in the discard pile. That's a Yu-Gi-Oh reference. That's not like an actual discard. Like, never mind. ColourPop Yes Please palette. I really like the fact the front says cute as fuck. It's filthy because I lent it to my best friend. And so, but it's nice warm tone colors. Singular.
No, light colors.
You mean light?
Light. Not bright colors.
Bright colors, okay. Yeah, bright. I mean, I wouldn't say I have a lot of bright colors like this going on.
You wear it?
I haven't worn it since I got it back from Maryland.
How long has that been?
A while. I think I'm gonna put it in the go pile. A Makeup Geek magnetic palette with the warm and cozy set. So this comes with like 7 single shadows. All warm tone, neutral shades. Kind of messy. What do you think?
It is messy, but I don't know. Do you have those colors already? What brand is that?
Makeup Geek. This is not a brand I wear often, but when I was wearing the shadows from it, I mean, I was wearing the hell out of them. Literally, one of them has pan. Like, I used it all the way down. But I also think that one just had a very powdery texture. Also, everything has a weird overspray of shimmer for some reason.
When's the last time you
Summer, probably.
There you go.
Alright, and do that. This is the Sculpting Silk Eyeshadow Trio from Elle Cosmetics in Rosé All Day. Marilyn got this for me. What do you think? Keep. I'm gonna put this in the project pile. This is the City Mini palette with Maybelline and Makeup by Shayla. So this is a collaboration piece. What do you think, dear?
I like it.
You like it? Why?
The colors look good.
The colors look good, that's it?
And for some reason I like the layout. It's nice. Simple, it's clean.
I have like no transition shade in this palette. I've worn it once. Twice. Twice? No, I'm not yelling at it. I'm just saying, like, there are some flaws with this palette. This palette has a very ashy light shade, a red, like a deep maroony kind of color that you're supposed to just put in the crease with nothing to kind of soften it out except that white shade. And then 3 shimmers and then a black. Like, I'm gonna keep it, but I think I'm gonna put it as part of the project pile. My keep pile is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyeshadow palettes so far. My go pile is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyeshadows. I think that's pretty good. What do you think?
What about your project?
My project one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eyeshadows palettes. Yeah, that's pretty good.
I guess. Yeah.
What, you want me to get rid of more?
No, it's pretty good.
I'm watching you. Cool! This is actually a productive Destash. Because the last time I tried to film this did not work out. So thank you, Shaggy Back. He's literally just laying on the floor, guys, right now. Like, I dragged him out of bed for this, and I appreciate him getting up. So, that is it. I'm keeping 6 eyeshadow palettes, one of which is a quad, one of which is like a bunch of singles. Everything that I'm going to be getting rid of, I'm going to be sanitizing, cleaning, and sticking on some kind of selling app or whatever, probably Depop since I've already been using it. But Poshmark looks pretty nice. Like, Poshmark has a really clean layout and not a lot of issues as much as Depop did, but Depop has cheaper shipping. So I'm still deciding, so follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see where I end up posting everything. So if you're interested in any of the products I decided to destash, that's where you gotta be. If you want to see what ends up with the project, subscribe, because that's going to be its own video of my, what am I doing with all these palettes that I really love, but they're just not really a part of my like favorite rotation anymore. Go ahead and just subscribe to my channel and go ahead and see that. Also, if you like anti-hauls, which are kind of like this, but more for products that we're not going to buy, if you like tutorials, first impressions, reviews, and stuff like that, again, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video if you want to see more of this Destash series, and leave a comment about what are you getting rid of from last year that you didn't really need anymore. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time, okay? Oh my goodness, camera stop. I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye!